oppo, any oppo device. This phone is oppo a17. Pattern, password, finger, gmail, forget, screen lock, finger lock. Very easy. Remove this lock. First, power up and power key. Press power up and power key. Then power off this device. After, volume down and power key. Press volume down and power key. Volume down and power key. Press. Few seconds. Release power key. Then oppo logo. And press volume down key. Okay. Then selected language. Then formatted data. 1709. 1709. Okay. Format. Okay. Then reboot this device and wait few seconds or minute. Oppo. This phone or mobile is Oppo a17. Then next selecting country, accept, skip, 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 next. Okay. This phone is Oppo CPH 2477 A17. Okay.